Good morning, everybody. Doc here, Platinum Pro Wash. And today we are back at the house that we cleaned all the concrete yesterday. Driveway, walkway, back patio. And we are here now to seal it. As you can see, just did the walkway here. You can see the blueness of the. Gotta get that puddle out of there. So I got Noah with me. We are sealing this. Gonna be doing all this. Take a walk back here. Well, it came out really good, really clean. You can see where he's gotten started there. And then we've got to do this back here as well. So yeah, we're going to get to spraying, sealing, knocking this bad boy out. Ta-da. Say hi, Noah. Alright guys, we're going to get to work on this, and we'll show you what it looks like here in just a few minutes. Peace. Alright guys, back here on this, finishing up. Everything's coming out really good. It's already starting to dry. I kind of like this spray. Typically I use a roll-on, but these folks didn't want to go with a gloss of any kind. They wanted the sheen, so we got the sheen, and we can spray the sheen on. And I think I really like that. You get down close, you can see the shininess. But yeah, I actually really like this. So we've got about 2,500 square feet of concrete that we sealed, washed yesterday. So yeah, all in all, really good, like that. And if you watched yesterday's video, you know how upset I was that I couldn't find my gun with my M5 twist, my assassin nozzle. Literally just got a phone call from a customer that said, hey, I was mowing my yard and found this in the yard. Is it yours? Yes, it is. So, even though I may have blamed Mike Carmody or Carlton One from Ohio for coming over here and stealing it, I think they snuck over here, took it off my trailer, and threw it in the yard. That's what I'm going with. So Mike, when you watch this, I guess I forgive you. All right, guys, that's it. Finishing up. Noah's finishing up. And we are off to the races to the next one. See ya.